Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to make a quick video and share my experience and results after testing the MetaTrader 5 Expert Advisor Dark Venus. If you are interested, stick around because I'll be covering the key points and insights I've gained so far. But before I get into the video, I do want to read this quick disclaimer. Trading Forex involves significant risk and is not suitable for all investors. The value of currencies can fluctuate rapidly and lead to substantial losses. It is important to understand that past performances is not indicative of future results. Before engaging in forex trading, you should carefully consider your investment objectives, level of experience, and risk tolerance. You should be aware of all risks associated with forex trading and seek advice from an independent financial advisor if you have any doubts. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice or recommendation to trade or invest. All trading strategies are used at your own risk. The creators of this video are not responsible for any trading losses you might incur as a result of following any information presented. Always conduct your own research and due diligence before making any trading decisions. And with that being said, let's hop right into it. Now, I do want to go over a brief overview of the AI. So, Dark Venus is a free and fully automatic expert advisor for scalping trading. So setting up the bot was pretty straightforward. I started off the bot using the default settings, and from there my plan was to go tweaking the settings. But for now we will be going over the results using only the default settings. So I've been using the AI for a little over 2 months. I placed the AI on the 4 recommended currency pairs. As you can see, we have here the Euro USD, the British Pound USD, Australian Dollar USD, and the USD Canadian Dollar. But you can also use it on other currency pairs with the appropriate settings. Now, I did place the AI on those 4 currency pairs, and I did test it on both the hour and the 30-minute time frame. And originally, by doing this, I thought I would be killing two birds with one stone by testing them on both the 30-minute and the hour time frame. That didn't go so much as planned, but since I did start testing off the bot that way, I did just leave it as is because I did want to stay consistent. So I placed the bot on a $1,000 demo account, and over the past 2 months, the bot has executed 992 trades with a win rate of about 74%. And the bot has generated a total return of about 260% on the initial investment. Now, you guys can go ahead and pause the video if you would like to review the results. And despite running the AI and getting positive results using the default settings, I would not recommend running it on a live account without tweaking the settings a bit to your liking. Now, I don't want to go too in depth with the settings. I just want to briefly brush over them really quick. So we have money management settings that you can tweak, any indicator settings, what day and time you would like to trade, any target settings you may have. So I would play around with it and tweak the settings to your liking. As you guys can see, today the bot has made $33.60. And a couple of things that I really like about the bot is that it has demonstrated consistent performance thanks to its ability to follow predefined rules and remove any emotional biases from trading decisions. It is automated trading, um, and that has saved me a significant amount of time, allowing me to focus on other important tasks while the bot handled the trades. Now, while the bot is automated, regular monitoring is essential to ensure it operates correctly and to make adjustments as needed. Now, in conclusion, my experience with Dark Venus has been overwhelmingly positive. It's a powerful tool that can enhance your trading strategy. However, it's important to remember that no bot can guarantee profits and trading always involves risks. Make sure to do your own research, start with the demo account, and configure the bot according to your individual risk tolerance. Now, if you do have any suggestions or questions for me, leave a comment below. I am open to constructive criticism as the purpose of this is to learn and gain experience. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching and happy trading.